Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make your own ringtone. First you need to go to the App Store and download this app called Ringtone Designer for free. Okay, so we are after download and now we will launch the app. And now click here. And now you need to choose what song you want to use for your ringtone. So, I don't know, anything could happen. And you click now to ringtone. And now we need to choose where is gonna be the start and the end of our ringtone. So I choose something, and then if you can play it here, and if you are completed, click here to this icon and then press OK. And now it's time for your PC. First connect your iPhone to your iTunes with your USB cable and then go to your device. And now go to the apps, scroll down and go to this ringtones. Click on your ringtone and go to save to and save it to our desktop. And now you should have your tone right here. And now go on iTunes again, go on tones, sync tones, selected tones, and select your tone. You can make more and sync more tones at one time, but I've got just one here. So select your tone and go to apply. And now we need to wait. Okay guys, and now we are completed. And now if we go to settings, sounds, ringtone, our ringtone should be there.